How to compare things. Let's imagine that we have two ideas for Christmas presents. This is number one, and this is number two. As you can see, number one is smaller than number two, and number two is bigger than number one. We know that gift number one costs about 10 euro, and gift number two costs about 100 euro. And then we can say that gift number one is cheaper than number two. And number two is more expensive than number one. Let's imagine that we also know that gift number one is only 1 kilo, while gift number two is all 10 kilos. And we can say that number two is heavier than number one. Now let's look at this grammar here and understand what the rules are, how to compare things, how to make words to compare things. If you look at these examples here, you will see that to the words small and big and cheap, you just added ER, ER and ER. So you make new words by adding ER. But here, more expensive, you don't have ER. And that is because more expensive, well, the word expensive doesn't consist of one syllable. These parts are called syllables. Expensive, 3 syllables. But 3 syllables, yeah, not one, but more than one. And in these cases, when we have more than one syllable, we use word most, more, like more expensive, more interesting, more boring, or more difficult. The word heavy, if you look at the word heavy, not heavier, but just heavy, consists of 2 syllables, heavy, but the last letter is Y. So when we have 2 and they end at Y, you still use this ER, but you change Y to I, and you have I, ER, heavier. The same as busier, and the same as earlier, and so on. There are 3 words to remember. Please be very careful. If you say that something is good and you want to compare things, you say something is better. If something is bad, you say that another thing is worse. And the last one is far, and the comparative form is further or farther. Both of them are fine, both spelling is fine. I prefer further, but in different areas of the world, people use different forms, but both are fine.